Hi kiddos, Miss Smith here and we're about to do morning meeting together. I'm so excited that you're joining me. So today we've got two extra special things. So we're going to talk about the date. We're going to talk about the weather. I have some cool pictures here that I saw on my walk this morning. And we have a special guest that's going to make an appearance at the end of our morning meeting. So when we look at these pictures, I took these when I was on my walk today to share with you guys. Some kiddos drew these on their fence. They used sidewalk chalk and tape, and I just thought that they were so cool. So when you look at the pictures, can you think of what shape it is? Do you see a square or a heart? I see a heart. I see a heart with a lot of different colors in the inside. At the top of this heart, it says smile. Can you give me your picture day smile? Say cheese. And at the top of this heart, it says happy, happy, happy. A lot of times when we smile, that means we're happy, we're in our green zone. So these hearts were just on the street and I thought they were so cool, so I wanted to share them with you. Have you drawn anything outside of your house like this to make people smile and feel happy? That would be pretty cool if you do. Okay, we're gonna click down here to our calendar and let's talk about our date. So today is Wednesday, right here in the middle of the calendar. Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Our month is April. And the date, can you say what number this is? It's the number 15. So today is Wednesday, April 15th. We're right in the middle of the month, right in the middle. So if today is Wednesday, remember, when we talk about our days, we're going to hop one way or the other to talk about yesterday and tomorrow. So if today is Wednesday, then I'm going to hop backwards. Yesterday was Tuesday. I'm going to type yesterday in our Tuesday column. And if today is Wednesday, then we're going to hop forward. And tomorrow will be Thursday. So I see that today is Wednesday, April 15th, which means yesterday was Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. Good job. We had been singing our Days of the Week song, but this time we're going to try to do our months of the year. So I grabbed a cup in my house, our Chiefs cups. Do you guys have Chiefs cups at home? I grabbed a cup and that's going to be my easy instrument for today to sing our months of the year. So if you know the song, sing along. If not, you can practice again later. So here we go. Again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. I'm not a very good singer, but I'm glad you sang along. Okay, that's our date. I'm going to pull up our weather next. We've got it all ready to go. So I see the weather for Lawrence, Kansas. That's where I live. I know this is where my students live too. Do you live in Lawrence, Kansas? The temperature right now is, can you say that number? 45. It's 45 degrees right now. So we're going to come over to our temperature guide. Let's look for 45. I see 40 and I see 50 and I know 45 is somewhere in the middle. So somewhere right between 40 and 50 is where we'll find the temperature 45. Does that put us in the red or green zone? It puts us in the green zone. You're right. So right now it is cool outside. It was cool the last 2 days too. That's the same. So you might dress in the same kind of clothes that you did yesterday. If it's cool, you might wear a long sleeve shirt. You might wear a hat on your head. You see the wind is blowing because it's cool outside. So it's 45 degrees. I also see on our weather guide right here, a yellow circle. That's the same as yesterday. What is a yellow circle? Does that mean the sun or rain? I see on our weather report a yellow circle right here, and it says sunny. So the yellow circle means the sun. Can you look outside? Do you see the sun right now? So before we see our special guest, let's review today's date and the weather. We're at our weather page, so I'm going to scroll over. It says today is. Do you remember what day we said it is? Wednesday. The month is. Do you remember what month we said it is? It's April. The date is. Do you remember what number day we said it is? Remember, I said it's right in the middle. Today is the 15th. Good job. We looked at the weather. On the weather chart, did we see the sun or did we see rain? We saw sun. Oh boy, we saw that the temperature is 45. Did the 45 fall in the cold, cool, hot, or warm zone? It fell in the cool zone. Who should we dress today? I think we should pick the first person in line. Okay, so when we're thinking about it being cool outside, do you think we should wear shorts or jeans? Probably jeans. When we're thinking about it being cool outside, should I wear a long sleeve t-shirt or a collared shirt? Probably something with long sleeves, just like Miss Smith's doing right now. What about your shoes that go on your feet? Is it warm enough to wear sandals, or should we wear sneakers? Probably sneakers. Should we wear something on our head? Yes or no? Maybe we'll skip the hat. We did see that it's going to be sunny, so it might be a good idea to wear some sunglasses. And what do you think? When we say it's cool, does that mean it's so cold that we might need a jacket? I'm going to say no. We're going to skip our jacket today. Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. It's sunny and cool out and we've got on a long sleeve t-shirt, jeans, sneakers, and sunglasses. We're ready to go for the day. Good job. All right, kiddos, thanks for sticking around for our date and our weather. We also looked at those really cool pictures that I took around my neighborhood of the artwork kiddos did. And now it's time for our special guest. And you might see on your screen, we have a picture of what's called a crested gecko. And we have a home over here for the crested gecko. My classroom has a classroom pet, and it is a crested gecko named Geico. My students named him, and he's our special guest today. I think he's a little camera shy. Can you say hi to Geico? Say hi, Geico. Geico is a crested gecko. And like I said, he lives in my classroom, but with everything going on right now, we brought him home here. So he's safe and warm and he's getting his water and his food every day. So you can see in his home, he's got his ivy, he's got his rocks and his wood. He likes to climb on his new jungle gym, his rope jungle gym. And every day, Geico eats fruit, kind of like baby food. So today he's going to have watermelon. So Miss Smith just mixes that up with some water and you stir it around till it tastes something like baby food. And that's what Geico eats. It's pretty great. So he's really happy to be here. He's a little nervous, but he just wanted to say hi. There's Geico. Whoop. All right, kiddos, thanks for joining us, and we're so happy you got to see Geico and do the date and the weather and check out some artwork, and we hope you join us again tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.